Good morning student. Today we will study about computer chapter 5 basics of Windows 7 part 2. Today in this video we will study about calculator control panel. So let's start the topic of calculator. You can use the calculator to perform simple calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The calculator also offers advanced capabilities of a scientific and statistical calculator. You can perform calculations by clicking the buttons, or you can type calculation by using your keyboard. You can also use the numeric keypad to type numbers and operations by pressing numlock. The possible modes of calculations are standard, scientific and statistics. 3. Okay students, what is written here, underline it. The possible modes of calculation are standard, scientific and statistics. In the scientific view, the calculator is precise to 32 significant digits. When you use the statistics view, you can enter the data for which the statistics are to be calculated and then perform the calculations. You can quickly switch between the different calculator views modes with the help of Alt+1, Alt+2, Alt+3 and Alt+4 key combinations. Okay, you can quickly switch between different calculation views modes with the help of this is shortcut keys. Alt+1, Alt+2, Alt+3 and Alt+4 key combination. You know about calculator. So watch this video and try to understand about it, and if any doubt then consult it into meeting. Control panel. The control panel in Windows 7 is the place to go when you need to make change to various settings of your computer system. If you want to change some options or some settings of your computer system, then you have to go in control panel option. To open the control panel, click the start button on the taskbar and then click control panel on the start menu. How to open the control panel? Click the start button on the taskbar and then click control panel on the start menu. As showing in this picture, this is calculator. If you want to open the calculator, then you can open from start button, or you can search here. Windows 7 gives you 3 different views for looking at your computer's control panel. Number 1, category view. The default contains links representing groups of related control panel program displayed in 2 columns. In category view, you can see there your files or folders displayed in 2 columns. It is contains links representing groups of related control panel programs and displayed in 2 columns. So you can see there some icons or folders. Through that you can set in control panel, or if you want to change, or if you want to setting some options like printer or that any command, if you want to give command or some problems in printer or related to other folder, you can change there. Large icon view displays as many of the large individual control panel program icon as can appear in the control panel. Small icon view displays all the small individual icon in the control panel. Large icon view may, if you click there, then all folders or file they are showing large in large form, and small icon view displays all the small individual icon in the control panel in small size. To switch from category view to large icon or small icon view, click the view by drop down button labeled category in the upper right corner of the control panel, and then choose larger icons or small icons from the buttons drop down menu. Then to switch back into the category view, click the category item that appears at the top of the drop down menu as showing in this picture. Here showing adjust the computer setting, large icon category, large icon is small icon, you can select anyone as you wish. After that, here showing folder, action center, backup and restore, date and time, you can change date and time through this option. Desktop, gadget, display, folder options, home group, keyboard, so mouse, fonts, all types here given. Folder, fonts, you can change here, font, mouse speed you can control here or increase. If you want to change the mouse clicking or speed, then you can change from this option. So this is the option. Network and sharing center, adjust your computer settings, system and security, user accounts and family safety, appearance, network and internet, hardware and sound, clock, language and region, easy of access and programs. So you can change here in control panel through this option. Okay students, so let's explore some of the options available in the control panel. This we will watch in next video. You have to read it next paragraph, then after we will understood about it. Watch this video proper, and if any doubt then consult it into meeting.